Are you ready for a gated neighborhood with beautiful trees and a gorgeous house for entertaining? I've just the listing for you. Hi, I'm Cindy Morrison with Chenoweth & Cohen, and I can't wait to show you this listing. Pull into Greystone, past the roundabout, and you'll find Devonshire, a beautiful, quaint neighborhood. This amazing home is located at 6920 East 115th Place South. This traditional home was custom built with every detail imaginable. There's a dining and living room right off the entrance. Next, the great room with these vaulted ceilings will take your breath away. And look at all the detail in the molding. It's open concept into the gourmet kitchen. The counter space, storage, and appliances are a chef's dream. Lots of windows let in light. The main bedroom is stunning with high ceilings and a huge bathroom and closet. Windows make it light and airy. There's a second bedroom downstairs, and the closet doubles as a certified safe room. Upstairs, you have an oversized game room with a wet bar and 2 other bedrooms. One even has an extra play area. The backyard is perfect for entertaining as well. I told you this home is special. It is definitely one of my favorites. Let's get you in for a showing. Again, I'm Cindy Morrison from Chenoweth & Cohen, 918-760-5751.